Yeah, still January 3rd. Electricians got done with the lights on the front section, and it is exactly what I wanted. There's enough lights, there's no shadows. So with the doors closed, it's extremely well lit. That's what I want. Back here in the back, we changed our mind. Instead of doing 4 more lights, we're going to do 6 more. 3 on each side, right down the center line. Brighten it up back there. Now, over here, this will be the home for the compressor. Here in this corner, that'll be for airline and blowgun to blow off the mill and the lathe, and I can also reach to the drill press. We got the drill press temporarily wired. I asked him to go ahead and do that. I'm real anxious to see it run. So she's wired up, ready to go. It's 2-speed, high and low. So here's high speed. You might not be able to hear it. It's as quiet as a new one. Like I said, these things came from a floor buffer manufacturing facility, and the person I spoke to at the auction on the preview said that the only thing they drilled was plastic with this and the other one that went with my company when I sold it. Shafts are spinning straight. I'm not going to waste time putting a dial indicator on it. I don't need to. I don't see any vibration on the chuck at all. So that's the high speed. I'll turn it off. There's low speed, which is a real nice little feature. I have to look in the book and see what the difference is in the speed. It really doesn't say on the spindle speed chart. But yeah, super nice drill press. The motor's quiet as heck. Spindle bearings are quiet. So she's a good one. I'm real happy. There's off. Ain't nothing wrong with that at all. They're going to hardwire it. Like I said, this is just temporary so I could actually hear the thing run. This area here will be for a small desk. It's going to be crowded, but Julie's insisting that I have a desk up here. Well, okay, whatever. I'm going to put another 4 plug box there. The mill will be in this area on this wall. I'll be facing west when operating it. They relocated the light switch for the front bay, so it's by the door now. Make it a whole lot easier. Another 4 plug where that blue tape is for the air compressor and anything else I need. Another 4 plug where that blue tape is. That will be in the lathe area. The lathe spindles to my left when operating, and the lathe's not huge, so I'll have plenty of room. Yeah, it's coming. Followed up with the company that I bought the mill from. Is supposed to be here approximately January 15th. And I was on the phone with them back and forth all day. They did receive the wire transfer for the lathe. I said, well, okay, good. They did process the order. So like I said on an earlier video, maybe by the end of this month or the first part of February, and get the electricians back out here and do the wire drops for those. And I have my industrial drill press, a knee mill, and a lathe. And I already have my saw, that 100-year-old draw cut saw that cuts like a new one. So I'll be set up, ready to do something. I'll do projects for here first. get everything set, leveled on proper mounting feet, etc. And at the same time, I'll be doing other projects in here. So it's coming along. I just love that drill press. And the lighting up here is just phenomenal now. And we put in 13 lights. I think, well, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 lights in this front bay. And the total amp draw for those 9 plus the other 4 is 5.6 amps. That's just amazing. So anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.